Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Qfun Laminator machine, and let me tell you, it's the best 10 mil laminator you can find on the market today. Whether you're looking to protect important documents, enhance your photos, or organize your classroom materials, this laminator is designed to make your life easier and your work more professional. The Qfun Laminator features a 13-inch wide entry, which means you can laminate documents of various sizes, including A3, A4, A5, and A6, as well as photos and business cards. No matter what you need to laminate, this machine can handle it all. With its 60-second warm-up time, you'll be up and running quickly, saving you time and effort, and allowing you to focus on what matters most. This machine is equipped with a 2-roller system that provides precise heat and pressure, ensuring that your documents come out perfectly laminated every time. Whether you're using hot or cold lamination, the results are always professional and clear, with no wrinkles, bubbling, or hazing. The speed of the laminator is impressive as well, running at 450 mm per minute, making it 60% faster than many other machines on the market. But that's not all. This laminator is designed with safety in mind. It features an automatic shut-off function that helps save energy and prevents overheating, extending the life of the machine and keeping it safe for everyday use. The machine also comes with a variety of accessories, including a paper cutter, a corner rounder, a hole puncher, and binder rings, so you have everything you need to get started. The compact and portable design of the Qfun Laminator makes it ideal for use in your home office, classroom, or even at the kitchen table. It's lightweight and easy to move around, so you can laminate whenever and wherever you need to. And the best part? It's compatible with both 3mm and 5mm laminating sheets, giving you even more flexibility for different projects. In conclusion, the Qfun Laminator machine is a versatile, reliable, and efficient tool that every teacher, student, or professional should have in their office. It's perfect for personal use, small businesses, and classrooms. With its fast warm-up, precise lamination, and safety features, it delivers quality results every time. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.